Welcome to Healthcare Pharmaceuticals Limited. I am Surya Akhtar, Production Officer at Healthcare Pharmaceutical Limited. Now I am going to show our dispensing corridor. Let's see the material receiving procedure from Material Management Department. We submit a requisition form for raw material to Material Management Department with the authorized signature. Material Management Department supplies approved materials at the primary hatch accordingly. After checking the cleanliness of the container and information regarding material, container is taken to the unweighed material room, and from unweighed material room it will be taken to the dispensing room one by one as per requirement. Now I am informed of the change room of dispensing area. All personnel who are responsible for dispensing activities enter into the dispensing booth. Now let's see the entry procedure. This change room is only used for entry and exit for personnel. We have an entry-exit procedure for this change room, and everyone must have to follow this instruction. This is our dispensing room. Pressure difference is maintained between room and corridor. Room is negative against corridor. This is McNeil pressure gauge and it is the calibration tag of pressure gauge. When the door opens, pressure difference is showing 0, and after closing the door, it is showing about 10 Pascal, which is within the specified limit. Here, it is the dispensing booth, and it is the authorized personnel list who are enlisted for this booth. It is operated by HMI. This dispensing booth has 3 gauges. Those gauges are for pre-filter, intermediate filter and HEPA filter. All the filters have calibration tags. Fresh air comes from the top. It flows vertically and passes horizontally through inside grill. So, there is no chance of air or powder to go outside the booth. This is our dispensing balance. This balance is connected with the printer. After dispensing of API, we take print out and attach it to the batch document. Now, let's see the dispensing operation. Protective gloves, goggles, mask, hand cover must be worn while dispensing. Before the dispensing operation, room condition is checked and enter into the logbook. The balance function check is performed and line clearance is taken from both production and IPQA officer. Before starting the dispensing operation, laminar airflow is run for 15 minutes. One operator takes the material from unweighed material room where the material are being stored from the MMD. Then dispense operator receive the materials from airlock and take it into the dispensing room. Before starting the dispensing operation, production officer checks the material. Then the IPQA officer also checks the material according to the label in the materials. They check the related information such as material name, material code number, potency, batch or lot number, in-house retest date, expired retest date on the approved level of the materials. After checking all the information, operator takes the material inside the dispensing booth and opens the container. Then clean scoop is taken from the clean scoop container and clean level is checked by the production officer and attached to the batch document. After the clean container level is also checked by the production officer. Then the tare weight is taken off the container with lid, polybag, dispense label, container label, label poly, and cable tie. The tare weight is checked by the production officer and IPQA officer. After that, production officer takes the dispensed level and writes the tare and gross weight in that level. Then the required quantity is taken by the operator as per BMR. Then the quantity is checked by the operator, then production officer, and at last by IPQA officer. After that, the used scoop is wrapped with polybag and attached to be clean level and kept in the used scoop container. After dispensing, printout is taken of the dispensed material, date, time, balance model details, username, product name, batch number, material name, tare, net and gross weight finally done by and included in this print. We only take printout while dispensing API of the product as per SOP and attach to the batch document. After finishing the dispensing, the broken material container is kept in the unweighed material room. We continue dispensing all materials one by one to complete the batch. Then keep the dispensed material in WIP room and enter in the logbook.